In the past, I've said I love every single part of the process for making videos, but I lied. The part that I've struggled with the most and dreaded every time was writing. When it comes to the necessary skills for making video content, I've been a huge advocate for writing. Whether you use a script for your videos or just go off the cuff, having some kind of regular writing habit enhances your content, adds clarity to your thoughts, and makes you a better communicator. But as much as I believed that, it was still hard to feel like I was up to the task of sitting down and putting words on the page. For a long time, I teetered between thinking it was just one of those things that would never click for me, or hoping that some insight or silver bullet would suddenly make me fall in love with it. Neither of those things happened, but over the past year, something did shift. Lately, when I sit down to write, I don't feel a sense of dread, but a calm belief that if I start moving my fingers on the keyboard, I'll see my thoughts materialize on the screen. I don't necessarily feel excited, but I know that when I sit down to write a script, I'll actually finish it, and that makes me feel eager to see it through. I don't feel like a great writer or communicator, but I can recognize small improvements every week as I write consistently. I think what actually caused the shift is that over the past year, I've written more than 100 scripts and more than 100,000 words. As I made myself sit down and write just about every day, it was like my brain and my fingers were slowly building a bridge to one another in my body. Those bridges eventually connected, and as long as I kept showing up, they continued to build the bridge stronger and stronger. As long as you're a creator, especially if you're trying to communicate through video, I'm going to keep encouraging you to write. But this video isn't just about writing. What are the parts of your process that you have trouble showing up for because they feel tedious, or take a long time, or you don't feel like you're good at them? My encouragement to you is to keep showing up. Don't make it your goal to write the best words or have the best camera angle or design the most incredible thumbnails. Make it your goal to show up consistently, and eventually you might start to feel that small shift and that sense of dread begin to fade. I want to know what part of your process you're going to make a goal to show up for and do more consistently. Tell me about it in the comments. And just a side note here, if you do struggle with writing, I have a friend who developed an online course called 30 Days to Better Writing designed to help you build a writing habit. You can check it out at 30daystobetterwriting.com. This isn't sponsored, but I've been through some of the program myself and I know it's helped a ton of people. So if you struggle with writing, I want you to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.